This video is all about how to use command strict in AutoCAD. Command strict is used for modify the size or shape of objects by stretching them along specified direction, specifically by moving vertical and endpoint that lie inside a cross-selection window. Now I will explain you how to use command strict in AutoCAD, and we will create new shape from the old shape by using command strict. We can strict the object by click the strict icon on the modify panel, or we can use shortcut S, press enter instead of strict command. First, select the object we want to strict, click on strict icon, or we can use shortcut S, enter, click on base point as a displacement. Specify the second point as a stretching point. Input the specified length, the vertical point and horizontal point. Now we move to another way to use command strict by stretching vertical and horizontal. First, select the object we want to strict. Use command S, enter. Now we strict the horizontal part first. Then click another point to specify the distance and direction of the strict. Now we starting stretching the vertical part. We'll see the different shape between the old shape and the new shape after stretching. Now we move to another command. Next video is show about how to use command scale in AutoCAD. Command scale is used to enlarge or reduce the select object. Here is a breakdown of how to use the command scale. We can use command scale by clicking scale icon in the modify panel, or we can use shortcut SC instead of scale icon. First, select the object you want to scale. You can type scale or use shortcut SC instead of scale in the command line and press enter. In the scale setting, we have copy and reference. I will show you how to scale by reference first. We can click the reference on the command line, or we can type or click 2 points on an object to define the reference length. Click on first point and second point as the reference length, and third point as a new length. And the next, I will show you about how to use scale copy command. Select the object you want to scale, type SC, press enter. We'll see copy on the command line. Click on copy or type C to activate copy scale. Input the specified scale factor. Now we will copy a new object by use scale from source object. Now I will some tips to introduce scale block for detailing section. Scaling block or object building block. We use block scaling in AutoCAD to scale the object without changing their dimension. First, we have simple object. And then select the object you want to scale. Shortcut SC, press enter. Click on base point and enter the scale factor. See, the object was enlarged and its dimension was changed. Now I will show you how to scale the object without changing their dimension. Now we block the object first. And let's scale the object again. Enter the scale factor. When we insert the title block, it appears too small and detailed properly. and we need to enlarge the section of the beam. Please follow for more videos for civil engineering. Bye!